Search engines have become a part of our daily lives, helping us find information from simple facts to detailed research. They also allow us to stay informed on the latest news, indulge in online shopping, or even help us plan a trip by providing keywords and straightforward queries. There's a world of information at your fingertips, but what really goes on behind the scenes? It all starts with 3 fundamental tasks: crawling, indexing, and ranking. The first task is crawling. Search engines deploy programs known as crawlers, or web spiders, to find new or updated web pages. These crawlers explore the web by following links from one page to another, discovering new or updated pages to add to the search index. The second task is indexing. Once the content is found, it's time for indexing. Here, the data found is cataloged in a massive database called the search index. Like a librarian organizing books on shelves, the third task is ranking. When you ask a question, the search engine sifts through the indexed content, prioritizing pages to ensure you get the most relevant answers. This involves complex algorithms that consider factors such as the frequency and location of keywords within the web page, the overall quality of the content, and the analysis of the link. Let's put this into perspective. Say you're searching for Italian restaurants in your city. The search engine springs into action, suggesting a list of websites. This selection is not random. It's the results of precise ranking, where each page's relevance is assessed based on your search. From the moment you type in your query to how quickly the results appear, you're seeing the seamless dance of crawling, indexing, and ranking. It's a journey that brings knowledge to your fingertips, all in the blink of an eye.